Hi, my name is Randy Lehoux, owner of Guitar Suspension Solutions and inventor of the Bod-Lock 2-in-1 guitar strap. I'm also the inventor of the Pivot Pad guitar cushion support. I'm also the creator of Bif Zane music with albums Mama Look No Hands and Get a Kazoo. Both of these albums are available as instrumentals. I'm also the author of Perfect Guitar Chords for 20 Scales. Bod-Lock 2-in-1 guitar strap can be configured 3 different ways. Today I'll show you how to set it up for the standard enhanced configuration. Bod-Lock has a length adjustment section created by a buckle. In that section we have a guitar connector and a sliding lock with hook tape facing up to connect to the loop tape on the opposite end of the strap. The standard configuration for the loop tape end of the strap would include a guitar connector with the loop tape end folded over onto the hook tape, making up the 5, 15, or 31-inch rough. To change from the standard configuration to the standard enhanced configuration, from the loop tape side, release the guitar connector so that it slides freely on the strap. Hold the guitar connector from the length adjustment side and pass the loop tape end of the strap through the opening of the guitar connector. Find the sliding lock and press the loop tape firmly down onto the hook tape of the sliding lock. Reduce the length adjustment. Move the sliding connector forward with the length adjustment side on this side and the loop tape side on the left side. Place it over your shoulders. We have our length adjustment and the sliding connector. To adjust the length of your Bod-Lock strap, tilt the buckle and slide in the desired direction. This particular strap is a medium-sized strap. Now this strap has lost some length because the strap now travels across the back of the guitar. So we've lost some length here. So if we were going to choose a strap in this configuration with a ruff to support the weight of the neck, the current ruff of 5 inches ends here. So 10, 15, a 15-inch ruff would only end up around here. So in the standard enhanced configuration, to have a ruff, you would probably have to have a 31-inch, you would need a 31-inch ruff. Now something unique happens in the standard enhanced configuration. Because of the placement of the strap buttons on the guitar, the weight of the guitar and the sliding movement of the connector creates a locking effect that draws the tongues in and holds them more securely. With this large rounded back guitar, I'm using a large size strap. Notice that the button is lower. I'm not sure what the effect would be if it were higher. Now, the same is true with this guitar. Strap length has been lost, so a larger strap was needed to be selected. But notice how the guitar connectors are drawn in by the weight of the guitar, creating a unique locking effect. It may not be present on all guitars, but on these guitars, the Bod-Lock 2-in-1 guitar strap and the pivot pad guitar cushion support are versatile tools that can help you play better longer. Visit GuitarSuspensionSolutions.com for more videos like this one. And please check out Bif Zane music on Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Prime, and much more. Thank you for watching.